everyone, welcome to or back to my channel. So today I'm back with a super exciting video. So today I'm going to be doing a pack with me for a weekend trip. So a lot of you guys were asking me if I'm going to be going to LA this year. Every year I do an LA vlog series on my channel because typically my family goes to LA for vacation for about a week and we go to Disney. It's super fun to vlog. I love vlogging them. It's like my favorite part of my channel every year. And this year we're not going because we typically plan it kind of at least a few months in advance, and we didn't know how things were going to be with COVID and if we would feel comfortable flying and traveling. We didn't really have anything booked and planned, so we're just kind of taking it easy this summer. I'm trying to talk my family into going for maybe Christmas or the spring or something like that. We may even go to like Disney World or something, so we have some plans kind of up in the air, but nothing really booked yet. I'm gonna do kind of like a little weekend trip. I'm just gonna spend a few days visiting my sister. I'm just gonna be hanging out at the pool and just kind of, we might go to like Arkansas or something for the day. Not anything crazy. I'm gonna take a few days off of like filming and editing and just kind of relax for a few days. Since I'm not really gonna be doing any vacation content this summer, I thought I would just kind of vlog a little pack with me and show kind of like what I'm packing. So I'm still gonna pack kind of the same things I would pack if I was going anywhere else. Also, I'm gonna be listening to music while I pack, just like some summer music. Definitely comment below some of your favorite music and songs for the summertime. And I'm gonna be using my Raycon earbuds. So if you guys haven't heard of these, the wireless earbuds start at half the price of other premium audio brands. And Raycon is disrupting the electronics industry by making great sound for everyone. Raycon earbuds gives you 6 hours of playtime, seamless Bluetooth pairing, more bass, and a more compact design for a comfortable noise isolating fit. Raycon offers the wireless earbuds in a range of colors and patterns, which I absolutely love. I have mine in blue. They also come in a variety of fit options with no dangling wires or stems. And the company was co-founded by Ray J. Celebrities like Snoop Dogg and Mike Tyson are obsessed with Raycons. Raycon also has a 45-day free return policy. I feel like these are so perfect, especially for the summertime. I love them for like going on walks, cleaning. They're great for going to the pool. Love them for editing as well. They're just so great for like any summer activity. So definitely make sure to click the link in the description box, or you can go to buyraycon.com/EmilyGrace for 15% off your Raycon purchase. I think you guys would really love these. Like I said, they come in a bunch of different colors and patterns, and they also start at half the price. So I just think these are really great. I'm just gonna be listening to some summer music as I pack. I think I'm just going to start off with figuring out what clothes and outfits I want to bring. I'm not going to worry too much about the outfits because I'm mostly just going to be kind of like hanging out most of the time. Just have to fit all of this into a duffel bag because last time I went to visit my sister at college, I brought a suitcase for like 3 or 4 days and I got absolutely roasted, like literally roasted. If I bring anything more than a duffel bag, my sister is going to literally roast me. So this is definitely gonna be a challenge for me. Maybe one cute outfit and then just some lounge outfits and swimsuits. So the outfits part should be pretty easy. I'm gonna get that figured out first, and then I will pack my toiletries, so like makeup, hair stuff, skincare, all of that. And I do have like a packing list on my phone in my notes. I'll probably bring my laptop and stuff as well so I can edit some footage. I have a week in my life that I filmed and it's gonna be a lot of footage, so I'll probably just work on that while I'm there if I get bored. But let's just go ahead and get started with packing. I only have like a very short time to do this. Let's get started though. Okay, I know I'm extra for this, coming up with different lounge outfits. It's just like a little towel set from Nasty Gal. I showed this in a recent haul. And then I have these little Princess Polly shorts with a pink tank top, like this hot pink Zara tank with these gray Princess Polly shorts. And then this, which I showed in a recent haul, and it's just like an oversized t-shirt and black bike shorts. So I'm just seeing which lounge outfit I like the best. So I'm gonna pick like 2 or 3 of them. And then I'll pick a couple cute outfits. Probably an outfit that I showed in my summer outfits video because those are kind of all of my go-tos. So probably something I showed in that. so here is kind of a look at everything for clothing. Extras over there, like some tote bag. I'm not gonna take both of these. I'm gonna pick one or the other. I'm gonna narrow things down as I put them in my bag. And then I have the lounge clothes here. One of them I'm actually gonna wear tomorrow. And I have my pajamas, some sweatpants just in case it's cold inside. This is my cute outfit. I'm trying to decide between the two, so I just have them both sitting out. So that is kind of everything. I still need to grab like underwear, socks, obviously all my toiletries. So I'm gonna work on the actual toiletries right now and get all my skincare, hair care, shower stuff, all of that together. I'm actually about to go have dinner with my family. I'll just check in with you guys later tonight when I finish packing. I would say I made a lot of progress, probably about 60% packed. Still have to throw in a couple swimsuits, some towels. I still have to pack up all my work stuff, which I'll probably just throw my work bag in my car because it already has everything in it. I might bring some movies, my jewelry making stuff. I'm not gonna mess with packing my toothbrush and toothpaste yet because I'm gonna use it in the morning and tonight, which a lot of the stuff I guess I am kind of gonna use tonight and tomorrow, but I just wanted to see how much space it's gonna take up in my bag. So if there's something that you're seeing that I'm not packing, that's why. It's probably because I'm gonna use it. So I will just check with you guys later. It's actually the next day. I was super tired last night. I am finishing it up this morning and then I'm just going to hit the road. I got my ALEXA auto set up. On Prime Day it was $15 instead of $50 and I've been meaning to set it up, so I thought this would be the perfect time since I'm gonna be in the car for a while. Just say like, ALEXA, play this song, or play my Spotify playlist, or call mom, or get me directions to the nearest gas station, or whatever. So I think that'll be super helpful while I'm on the road. I also touched up my fake tan last night. Like everything was uneven, so I just kind of like touched up my fake tan last night with my Loving Tan 2-Hour Express Deluxe Bronzing Mousse, and then I rinsed it off this morning, so I'm feeling nice and glowy. I'm gonna finish up packing. I'm not gonna take too much longer on this because I do have to finish a video and get that edited and pre-uploaded for while I'm gone, and I also need to get gas. I also need to water my plants. Anyways, we're gonna get to it. I kind of just put everything back on my bed. I also went through and was like, wait, I don't need all this. So I just have this lounge outfit and then a lounge outfit for like if we're out all day and I just want to put something comfortable on when we get home. And then if I don't want to wear this tight tank top, I just brought this like comfortable shirt as well. And then I'm still deciding which of these cute outfits I want. I showed both of these in my summer outfits video. This is just like an oversized button up in denim shorts, and then this tank top. Maybe I could just bring one pair of denim shorts and then both tops because this really doesn't take any extra space. Maybe I'll just bring both because I don't know what I'm gonna be feeling. Also, what is the weather gonna be like? Am I gonna wanna wear a tank top or like a loose shirt? So maybe I'll just bring both tops and then just one pair of shorts. So I'm just kind of narrowing that down. Over here I have like cosmetic stuff. I swear I grabbed like 3 of these. I don't know where the other ones went. I need to grab some swim. I feel like I'm gonna forget. Okay, I think I'm just gonna bring this new one I got from PacSun. I think I showed this in a video. I feel like I can just take this to the pool. I think I'm at the point where I can finally start putting all of this in my bag because it is pretty much mostly everything. I have a few like tech things here. Most of the tech related things I'm just gonna put in my work bag. I'm also gonna bring my little blender because I love making smoothies every day, and this is like portable and easy for on the go. So a little blend jet, I'll link it below. It's like the perfect little blender. I think I'm just gonna take this Vera Bradley duffel bag. I know it's like chuggy or not in style or whatever, but I just like it. It's really the only good sized duffel bag I have. I don't really go on weekend trips or anything like that often. Hopefully this all fits, we'll see. I'm leaving a few of the things out that I don't really need, like these sweatpants. I feel like it's gonna be warm enough that I don't really need them. I'm leaving those out in the extra denim shorts. If I have extra space, I'll add them later, but I'm leaving them out for now. It's actually looking pretty good so far. Like, look at that. I have a lot of space still, and I pretty much all my clothes in there, and this, and I'm still have quite a bit of extra space. That it fits, that I feel like I forgot something, but it actually all fit and it wasn't like that squeezed. The shoes I'm just gonna put in my car, so it's like Mary Poppins. Like, I just keep kind of throwing stuff in there and it's like fine. I've got this little case for my blender, so I might be able to actually even put that in there. Okay, so everything fit in here, surprisingly. And then I have this tote, which just has some little beads that I got on Amazon. So my sister and I can make some bracelets. So that's mostly what's in here. I just threw in my blender and some extra sandals. I also just have this bag from Target. I'll link it below if it's still available. It's just like my little work bag. I have my laptop, some notebooks, external drives, and adapter cords. I have all my SD cards, my chargers and stuff in here as well. So this is kind of already taken care of. I guess that's everything I'm taking. I don't know if I need to bring like a pillow or anything, so I guess I will just text her and ask. I think that's everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I feel like it was kind of chaotic and all over the place, but I hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless. Definitely thumbs up if you guys would like to see another one whenever I am actually traveling somewhere, and then I can actually show you the outfit. Definitely comment down below if you guys are going anywhere fun this summer, and definitely don't forget to check out Raycon. You can click the link below or go to buyraycon.com/onlygrace for 15% off your purchase. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.